Base, this is timber 1. North Grove looks ready for harvest. Trees are at full maturity, 16 years growth minimum. Send the crew at 0700.
Copy, timber 1.
Straight grain, no hollow. This one is perfect for pencil stock. Mark the whole row.
Timber, clear the zone!
Clear grade, no knots, straight grain all the way through. These are gonna make beautiful pencil slats.
Chains are tight. This load is secure. Driver, you're clear for the mill. Chain looks loose. Tighten it. On it. Good. Load the next one. Ready for pickup. This seam is high purity, 90% carbon minimum. This is pencil grade graphite right here. Clay purity is good on this face. Mineral content is within spec for pencil core production. Keep digging. Particle size is under 44 microns. We're at pencil grade specification. Transfer to the mixing station.
Clay plasticity index is perfect for pencil core binding. This batch is approved. The molded clay object is carefully inspected before transport. Next, it is wrapped in packing paper and secured in a box. The box is then loaded into the transport van. The van departs for the factory.
Timber convoy to pencil plant. We're 40 miles out, ETA 90 minutes. Mineral trucks are running alongside us.
Copy that. Receiving docks are ready for both shipments.
Cedar delivery for the sawmill, dock 1. Follow the yellow route markings, 5 miles per hour inside the facility. Stay on designated roads.
Understood, dock 1, yellow route. 16 loads of clear grade cedar, exactly what we ordered. Let's get these into the kiln dryers today.
Graphite batch G4421 and clay batch C8873, both seals intact, certificates match. These go to the core mixing lab, handle with care, no dropping.
Copy that, gentle placement. All right, let's get this container to section 4. Copy that, moving in. Careful with the logs on the belt. Good cut. Stack with the others. Cedar is down to 7% moisture. That is our target for pencil slat production. Open the kiln doors, this batch is ready. Keep feeding, we need 8,000 slats before end of shift.
Groove diameter is perfect, 0 tolerance deviation. These slats are ready for core insertion. Stain is even, no blotching. Wax penetration looks good. Glue is going to bond perfectly to these. Graphite clay ratio is 60-40. This is a standard HB grade formula. Consistency is perfect for extrusion. 2.00 millimeters exactly. Die is holding perfect spec. Keep running. Aligning the component precisely on the tray. Now placing it into the machine. Activating the firing cycle. Assembly requires careful alignment. Temperature is holding at 1000. Firing time is 45 minutes for HB grade. These cores are going to come out hard and perfect.
Clean break, uniform grain structure throughout. No voids, no soft spots. This batch passed hardness testing.
Glue coat is 15 microns within spec. Coverage is complete, no dry spots in the grooves. Wave the next batch through. Press pressure is at 200 psi, holding for 90 seconds. These bonds are going to be permanent.
9 up, running clean, blades are sharp, no tear out on the cedar!
Geometry is perfect, all 6 faces are equal. Surface finish is clean, these are ready for sanding. Surface is perfectly smooth, no grain raised, no splinters. Paint is going to go on beautifully over this. Gold stamp is perfectly centered, crisp edges, zero smear. Beautiful.
Erasing cleanly, no smear, no paper damage. Compound is good.
Tip geometry is perfect. Core is centered. This pencil is ready.
First, inspect each sharpened pencil. Pack them tightly and evenly into boxes. Seal the boxes and place them on the conveyor. Now stack the boxes securely on the pallet. This ensures safe transport.
Rejection rate is 0.7%. That is within tolerance. Line is running clean.
Counting accurate, 12 per box, no short packs. We're doing 1,800 boxes an hour.
Label data matches product spec, barcode scans clean. Batch coding is correct.
Cases are solid, no movement inside. Tape seal is good on all 4 seams.
Pallet 40 is wrapped and labeled, ready for staging.
Excellent. Move it to the staging area. Come in straight. You've got 18 inches on each side. Keep coming. 32 pallets loaded, 8 more to complete the order. Route looks good. Time to load up. Package for unit 305. Thank you. Have a great day. 1 down, 3 to go. Dispatch, unit 14 on the interstate, 30 miles from the distribution center. Load is secure. 40 pallets of pencil stock for the school supply season. On schedule.
Pencil cartons are routing correctly. School supply orders going to Zone C, office supply orders to Zone F. Everything is scanning clean.
Easy, you've got plenty of room. Come on back. Stop! 12 cases of HB pencils for the school supply section, right on time for the back-to-school display.
Here you go.
Looks good, thanks.
School supply team, HB pencil stock is in. Ready for floor pull to the back-to-school display.
Copy, we'll pull them in 10 minutes.
Okay, starting with the K2 pencils here. Pencil display looks sharp, all sizes represented, pricing is visible. This is going to sell fast when school season hits.